if you observe that there are a lot of things in Bengal which have not been spoken about. The situation in quarantine center are not transparent. The migrants are there in the quarantine center, but at a lot of places there is no checkup which has taken place. Even some of the quarantine centers resemble a jungle because there are not enough facilities which are available. When you speak to people on the ground, they are not quite sure that how many cases are there. And if the cases are reported, they fear that the reported cases might be underreported. And that is the precise difference between, say, a Bengal and a Bihar. In Bihar, even if there are 500 cases which come in a day or 200 cases which come in a day, there is a sense of security in the people that the cases which are being reported are genuine. But whereas in case of Bengal, there is a sense of fear and there is a sense of mistrust. And this is why the situation in Bengal is worrying. Now this time in COVID, how the chief ministers respond and react to COVID will be extremely important politically. Gone are the days where you can look at voters as mere vote banks. Well, 2019 was a situation which clearly proved that verdicts can be defined across caste lines, across class lines, completely overshadowing the so-called narratives of vote share calculation. Now, COVID is an unprecedented moment. World is looked as a pre-COVID world and a post-COVID world. Politics will also be looked as a pre-COVID politics and a post-COVID politics. Look at the change. Right now for Bihar campaigning, you have parties who are going on digital and virtual rallies. Also, it is extremely important that in such an unprecedented pandemic, how do the chief ministers react to the pandemic, which means are they close to the people or not, are they responding to the day-to-day needs of the people or not, will be extremely alarming. When we did a survey on the ground, we found Odisha doing exceptionally well. We found Bihar doing okay. We found UP improving its tally and doing quite good. We found Karnataka, Kerala doing quite good. But there were three worrying states. One was Maharashtra, the other was Bengal, and the third was Bihar. Bihar has improved its tally, but in case of Bengal, the worry continues. It is extremely important for Mamata Banerjee to get the things back in order. It is important for her to win the trust if she wants to keep a good fight in 2021 assembly elections. Let me tell you that elections are just not fought during the time of electioneering. Elections are fought on the basis of performance throughout the year. This time in Bengal, at lot of places, there is discontent. If the Bharatiya Janata Party can galvanize this discontent, you will see an unprecedented fight in Bengal. But it is not just about elections. It is about the people at the last. And it is about people getting the delivery. It is about ensuring that every village has the sanitization. It is about ensuring that people are aware about the social distancing norms. Well, that is something which is missing in Bengal. The local administration in Bengal needs to get up. If the local administration in Bengal does not get up, and if politics supersede people's interests, it will be difficult in Bengal. And at the end of the day, whether it is politics or governance, it is about taking care of people's interests. There is urgent attention which is needed on the ground in Bengal. This is me, Pradeep Bhandari. I'm on the way to Delhi. But what we presented to you in Bengal from the inside the quarantine centers is the truth of Bengal. Thank you so much for joining me after this 20,000 kilometer journey and knowing the truth of Bengal.